In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Groww account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in groww.in, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Groww. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Simply click on this option, login or sign up, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can either continue with Google or you can also enter your email address. So simply click on the option that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So what you have to do is click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In order to log into your account, what you have to do is simply enter your password. If you have the account, you'll be prompted to enter your password in another interface. What you have to do is enter your password. After you enter your password, you'll be able to log into your account. So that is how you log in Groww account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.